and welcome back to the Charles H. Trout Library's Quick Database Tutorials. Today we're looking at Public Library of Science, or PLoS. PLoS is an open source full-text publisher of scientific literature. They are nonprofit and they make their content free and open to all. Students in allied health and veterinary science will probably find PLoS content very useful. You can search PLoS content from their platform, which I will demonstrate in this video, but it should be noted that PLoS content is also available through EBSCOhost Discovery. So Harcum College students can search in either platform, and we have a video on EBSCOhost Discovery that you can check out for tips on how to search that platform. So let's get started searching PLoS. So you're going to go to the Charles H. Trout Library homepage, and I've linked that in the description. And you're going to scroll down until you see the A to Z database list. And you're going to look under P in the alphabetized list for PLoS PLoS. So Public Library of Science is open access, which means no password or username is needed for either on or off campus. It's open to all. So this is the search page, and you're going to type in your keywords for the topic you're researching. Today I'm searching for the name of a parasite commonly studied in veterinary medicine called Toxocara. And you can see that I've run my search and that I've got 341 possible articles, which is kind of a lot, and I would like to narrow that down. And one way to narrow that down is by subject or by filters. So you can see there's all kinds of filters available, and I'm going to scroll down so that you get an idea of all the different types. There's article type, subject area, date. And I'm going to open up the subject area filter. And because my topic falls under the umbrella of veterinary medicine, I'm going to look through the list, just browse through and see if there's a subject or a topic on veterinary medicine. I'm going to check off that topic, and then I'm going to hit apply, and my search is going to refresh. And now you'll notice I have 37 results, which is much reduced. And that's great because now I only have 37 results. It's more refined, and I can hopefully find something that will speak to my topic. And you can sort your results, and then when you find an article that speaks to you, you can read it, the full text within your browser. But you also, and you can notice that these articles are peer-reviewed, so very trustworthy. You have some tools to help you save, print, download the full text of the article. And next to the download PDF button is a little down arrow. When you click on that down arrow, it will open up a new page with citation information. It won't create the citation for you, but it will give you the basic information that you need to create the citation. So if you need help creating a citation in a specific format, check out the guide on our website on citations, and I will link that in the description. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Please reach out to the library if you need help.